How to use Instagram quiz sticker feature. First of all, launch the Instagram application on your device, then log into your account. Now swipe towards right from the home feed to access your Story Maker panel. Now simply take a photo or video or simply upload one from your phone. Then tap on the sticker icon on the top left corner of your screen. From here, you simply have to select the quiz sticker option. Once you find the quiz sticker from the menu, you simply have to type your trivia question in the text field. Then tap the option A and B to type your answers, and also tap Add to include up to 4 total choices. Then tap the correct answer later and tap the color wheel at the top to change the sticker frame color, then tap Done. However, this feature is not yet available within my region, so I cannot show you, but you should be able to find the quiz option within this panel. Hope this video helps you out a lot. If you have any questions or queries, do comment down below.